She says very often I do forget that during namaz that at which rakat I am now. So what should I do at such a state?
This means that during namaz she is thinking of some other things, and this has been my problem as well. Not necessarily other things. Sometimes I concentrate on the meaning of the Quran which I recite and forget about the rakat or what surah I was to repeat or recite. So that is why sometimes you find me standing in search of, roaming in my mind which surah I should recite now. So this is a curable disease. I don't know what is your case. If you think of worldly things during your prayer, then this is a bad habit and try to cure it. Concentrate on Allah and inshallah you will be all right.